2017 Outback 328RL. Our command center is flashing an error message connecting to BCM, dismiss. And even if I use the Bluetooth app on my phone, I get the same thing where it can't connect to the BCM. So we'll try some troubleshooting steps to see if we can get this resolved. The first thing I'll do is power cycle the display board here inside the RV. Power cycling it is simply holding down the power button, turns off. Think it's gonna work?
Yes.
Yes?
Optimistic. It'll work.
All right, now that it's off, let's turn it back on. Again, hold down the power button. Hi guys. Are you guys optimistic? Is it gonna work? Are we gonna fix it? Kinsley, are we gonna fix it? Oh boy, Floyd's optimistic. Since resetting the control panel inside did not fix it, now we have to find the BCM, which is the body control module in the RV. The BCM in the 2017 Outback that I have here is in the storage compartment in the front, and that's located here. So let's go ahead and open that up and let's see if we can figure out how to possibly do a power reset on the BCM. We are back after a small delay, small veterinarian emergency with dog number 2 today. I'm going to go ahead and open up our storage compartment here in the front, and we're going to access the BCM module. What we need to do is take off the board. This is the BCM board, and we do have a few status lights that I can see. The blue means a Bluetooth is on and supposedly connected, and the red means that there's power getting to the unit. From what I've read, it could very well be that the BCM and the control panel inside the RV are not connected via Bluetooth, even though this indicates that Bluetooth is on. There's a reset button on here, but I couldn't find it. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect all power to the RV, both shore power and battery power. And the way that we do that is the battery power will be disconnected with this switch here, and we will unplug the RV from the shore power on the 50 amp circuit. But before doing that, I need to turn off the AC and the refrigerators. Turn it to off mode. We will do the same thing to our refrigerators, and they should stay nice and cold, even if they're off for a little bit of time. So I'll go let the wife know that we're turning off power.
What, babe?
We're going to turn off power.
Okay.
You'll be in the dark for a little bit.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I'm lighted by the creamer light.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Aww.
As you can see, I am on 50 amp circuit, and we are connected via power protection and power surge. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn off the 50 amp circuit here for a little bit of time. We'll go ahead and go turn off the battery power to the RV itself, because the BCM will run both on battery power and shore power. So as we can see, we still have power, and that also has power. So we are now out. We have no power. We are disconnected. Let's go see how the wife and the dog are doing inside without power. Let's see. Oh. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yeah? Don't look at the lights. Very bright.
It's real bright.
Yep.
I might sneeze.
Yep. Okay, we're gonna go turn it on now. Let's go turn on battery power. As you can see, we have power to the unit, and Bluetooth does not indicate that it is turned or that it is connected. So let's go check on the panel inside, and let's do a power reset. This one is still stuck on connecting to BCM. We'll dismiss that, and we'll do a power cycle on this as well. We'll let that boot up. Guys, what's going on in here? We're having so much fun. Are we? Are we having so much fun? Huh? All right, the In-Command system is booting up. Connecting to BCM. Let's see what it does. Oh, look at that, guys. It's back on. All right, I've logged in. Now I can see my indicators. We're on 12-volt battery. My fresh water is full. Turn on the interior lights. Turn off the interior lights. That's all working. Let's put this thing back onto shore power and get the refrigerators back up and operational. And we will wait for the power surge to boot up, check power, and go through its program. Let's turn on the fan. Sure enough, we have power. Let's go power on our refrigerators. All right, we are back up and operational. We got the BCM and the control panel in the RV to resync, and in this case what it took was to do a complete shutdown of all power, battery and shore, to the RV, turning the battery back on, letting the BCM boot up, coming back onto the control panel inside the RV, power cycling that, and once that happened they were able to reestablish via Bluetooth, and everything's back up and normal. So we resumed power from the shore, and we're good to go. So just a day in the life in the RV. So if your BCM goes out, no problem, you know what to do. Almost forgot, need to put the cover back on the BCM. All right, now I am done.